Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss let us do 2.3. Okay, this is very easy exercise, so you will understand if you watch this video carefully. Okay, so open page number 34 from your book. Here you see use of exponents to express small number in standard form. Okay, so in the previous class we have read how to express large number in the standard form. In the previous class means we discussed in class 7 how to express large number in standard form. Okay, so here one example. Suppose 273,000,000. So in standard form you can write 2.73 into 10 to the power 7. We discuss how it is formed. So what will you do? First you give the point after the first number. Okay, that means here you see the first number is 2, so you just give point here, 2 point, and write all the numbers except the 0. Don't write the 0, you just write 2 point. After that you write up to 3, that means 2.73. you just write 2.73. no need to write all the don't write the zeros. So 2.73, and you just count. Okay, you give point here, so you just count up to the end, So here you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that means 7 numbers. You give the point here, and after that here you see 7 numbers up to the 0. That means you write 2.73 into 10 to the power 7. So this type of example actually we discussed in earlier classes. So another example, suppose this is decimal number 85294.47. Okay, we are going to write in standard form. So it will be how will you write it? You just point here 8 point. So after that you have to write all the remaining numbers up to 7 here. Okay, that means 8.529447. 8.529447. You write, and 10 to the power 4 means you see you give point here. Okay, so from here to the original point. So within these two, in between these 2 point. 2 point means you give point here, and this is the original point. So within this 2 point, how many numbers? 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5294. That means 4 numbers. So that's why it is 10 to the power 4. Okay, 8 point, and write all the numbers, but 10 to the power, here you see 1 2 3 4, 10 to the power 4, etc. Okay, so here we shall learn how to express small number in the standard form. Suppose 0.1, you means 1 by 10. 1 by 10 means actually 1 by 10 to the power 1. That's why we discussed in the last classes also that 1 by 10 to the power 1 means in negative exponent you can write 10 to the power minus 1. Like that 0.01. So in fractional form you can write 1 by 100. So 1 by 100 means it is actually 10 square. That's why 1 by 10 square means 10 to the power minus 2. It will be 0.001 1 by 1000 in fractional form. So 1000 means 1 by, this is 10 cube. 10 cube means you can write 10 to the power minus 3. and so on, like this. Okay, suppose this is 0.05. 0.05 means you can write 5 by 100. 100 means this is 10 square. So that's why you can write 5 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, clear? This is also 0.008. 0.008 means 8 by 1000. 1000 means 10 cube. So if you write 10 cube in negative, 1 by 10 cube actually, 8 by 1000 means 8 into 1 by 10 cube. Okay, 8 into 1 by 10 cube means 8 into 1 by 10 cube, you can write 10 to the power minus 3. Clear? So that's why this is 10 to the power minus 3. This is also 0.00000021. So in fractional form you can write 21 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70. So after that it will become 21 into 10 to the power minus 7. But this is not standard form. Standard form means after one number, or after the first number, you have to give the point. That's why 21 means you can write 2.1 into 10. 21 means you can write 2.1 into 10, and this is another 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so that's why 2.1 into, this is 10 means 10 to the power 1, and this is 10 to the power minus 7. That means these powers will, you add the powers. That means 10 to the power 1 plus 10 to the power, 10 to the power 1 plus minus 7. So 10 to the power minus 6. Here 10 means 10 to the power 1, and this is 10 to the power minus 7. That's why powers will add. Okay, so 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay.